Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to like a show on Crunchyroll. I wonder why you want to know how to like a show on Crunchyroll. Maybe because you have really loved the show, because you think the show has great content, it has been made wonderfully, so you just want to like it so that you could appreciate its creator, or maybe you just want to like it so that people could get to know by its rating that this is a good show and everyone should watch it. Or there could be any other reason for you to like the show on Crunchyroll. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can like a show on Crunchyroll. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Crunchyroll app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on its icon to open the Crunchyroll app. The app will just take a while to load its content, and after that you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. Here you could see the icon of the app and few options at the top and few options at the bottom. Along with that, into the middle of the screen, we have different shows that you could watch. So if you want to like a show, therefore what you have to do is that first you have to open a show, then you could like it. So you can like any show of your choice, whatever you have watched and you liked it, you can like it. So here I've opened this show. Once the show opens, you have to simply click on this option and it will just take a while, and after that you will get here. Once you get here, there you will see this thumbs up option. So if you tap onto this thumbs up option, this show will get liked by you. You just have to simply click on it and the color of this thumbs up option will change. That means you have liked this show. Here one thing that you have to keep in mind that you have already created your username and have uploaded your profile avatar, because if you haven't done two of these things then you will not be able to like or dislike the show. It is compulsory to have a username on this app and have a profile avatar on this app. Once you have done two of these things, then you will be able to like this show. So if you want to like another show, just simply tap on it and then just simply click on start watching. It will just take a while, and after that you will get here. Then just simply click on this thumbs up option and this show will get liked by you. Likewise, you can like any show of your choice. You can like as much as you want. There's no limitation to it that you could only like limited number of shows. You can like whatever show you watch and whatever show you love. So this was the easiest way I know through which you could like a show on Crunchyroll. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.